So to replace the spark plugs on a Mazda 2, first take the engine cover off. They're just located on these little lugs and it just pulls off. Next thing to do is take an 8mm socket, undo this bolt here. That will allow you to take the HT lead off, pop that out of the way. Next is a 14mm socket on an extension, it's a 3/8. You can then run that very long thread out. To get the spark plug out, just a magnet, that brings the spark plug out. And you can see while we're changing them, got that furring up there. And you can use the magnet again just to drop the spark plug back in, just to get it started. And then all you're doing is using the 14mm to do it up, not too tight, and then replace everything back. Simple as that.